Hello, little scientists. Today, let's discover, why does it get colder in autumn? Hot summer. In summer, the northern hemisphere is tilted toward the sun, so we get more sunlight and feel hot. Earth keeps moving. Autumn comes. As the Earth moves around the sun, the northern hemisphere tilts away. That's when autumn begins. LESS sunlight. In autumn, sunlight is weaker and lasts for fewer hours because the sun looks lower in the sky. Air gets cooler. Less sunlight means cooler air. That's why the weather starts getting chilly in autumn. Seasonal changes. The Earth moves around the sun all year. That's why we have different seasons. How amazing! Summary. So remember, Earth's tilt and orbit change the sunlight we get. That's why autumn feels cooler. Isn't science amazing? Question for you. Do you remember why it gets colder in autumn? A. The Earth stands still. B. The Earth is tilted and moves around the sun. Smart kids. Leave your answer in the comments section below. Thanks for learning with me today. Keep asking great questions and see you next time. Bye-bye.